Welcome to Baby Glow!
A for apple, red and sweet, a tasty treat that's fun to eat. B for ball, bounce up high, jumping, rolling to the sky.
C for cat.
D for dog, he loves to run. Chasing sticks is so much fun. E for elephant, big and bright, spraying water with delight. F for fish that swims so free, bubbles popping in the sea. G for goat with a tiny bell, climbing hills where flowers dwell.
H for hen, she clucks all day, lays her eggs in a nest of hay.
I for ice cream, cold and yummy, melting sweets for every tummy.
J for jug, full of juice, pouring drinks for all to use. K for kite that loves the sky, flying, dancing way up high. L for lion, brave and strong, roaring loud all day long. M for monkey on a tree, swinging branches happily.
N for nest where birdies sleep, cozy, comfy, soft and deep.
O for owl, with big round eyes.
P for parrot, red and green, so bright and clean.
Q for queen in royal dress, waving hands with happiness. R for rabbit, soft and white, hopping fast with pure delight. S for sun that shines so bright, filling days with golden light. T for tiger, striped and bold, but this one's cute and never cold.
U for umbrella in the rain, colorful drops on window pane.
V for violin, sweet and clear, music dancing in your ear. W for whale in deep blue sea, singing songs so merrily. X for xylophone, colors bright, playing tunes day and night. Y for yak with wool so thick, walking slowly with a click click.
Z for zebra, black and white, running fast, what a sight!